I'm going to scare Thomas with my horn again. It's for Halloween soon. No, Diesel, you can't do that. My whistle sounds like this. You see? But my horn sounds like this. Now I'm gonna scared. Gonna be scaring at you with your O face. Oh no, I'm doomed with that. Here goes.
Devious Diesel, you have caused confusion underway by jump-scaring Thomas the Tank Engine. You are grounded for more than 14 weeks.
But Sir Topham Hatt, a.k.a. the big fat controller, I didn't do anything. Thomas is the one who blows his whistle and calls me mean things.
I was trying to be nice, Diesel.
You know that? I'm a smart little engine. You can't be scared. Oh, be quiet, Puffball. You can't be kidding.
Now go to your shed now, Diesel, because you acting up and you're grounded until Halloween ends. Okay? Capiche?
Capiche, sir. Huh. Can't listen to those blue engines making a sound.
I better go fetch my coaches. Catch you on the jiff.
Looks like I'm gonna have the saddest moment on Halloween. Unless that didn't count. I wish Halloween will never start in a month ago. But, here comes these mean party poopers. What did I hear? It's those big express engines or tender engines.
Well, not so fast, Devious Diesel. Yeah, not so fast. Because I'm the express engine, I can't follow up on Halloween. But unless it's my guess, me too.
Stop with all your whistles and go away.
Big diesels never get away with puffball engines, 'cause it's never the end of story yet.
Yeah, like once and for all. Oh, hold it. I'm gonna make a quote on how this video ends.
What for?
Halloween. Halloween is coming soon. 'Cause I have to prank on the engines for a psychopath only movie.
I hope you've teaching a lesson now, Diesel. Yeah, more lesson than that.
Well, that's the end of the movie. Goodbye.